Here we go. Freaky flashing light update. 655 on the map here in the United States and counting. I'm over 1,500 globally, approaching 1,600. But first, we're going to start off with man hears power lines making crackling noise during the recent geomagnetic storm. Oh yeah, you can't make this stuff up. Here we go. How about that? John R. out of Gary, Indiana, 6/3 of 2025. During the very strong geomagnetic storm, the power lines were humming with energy. Incredible catch. Going from Gary, Indiana to Palmyra, New York, Jesse, 6/4 of 2025. This is a closet light, and the switch was off in their bedroom, and the light was flashing for unknown reasons. There's nobody in the closet. And again, the switch was turned off. As you can see, the light just started flashing for unknown reasons. Example number 2, going to Prince Edward Island, Canada. Deneen sent in this video of a building. And as you can see, most of the lights on the perimeter of the building were flashing, and they're normally just on. Example number 3, here we go. Janet, not sure of the location, June 5th of 2025. Her TV started flickering for unknown reasons. It's never done this, but for some reason it was glitching out on this day and doing all kinds of weird things that, again, she'd never seen before. Example number 4, going to Louisiana, Chris B. This is the video of a subdivision in Louisiana. The lights were flickering during a power outage. Why weren't the lights just off? They were flickering like the flickering lights we've been seeing all around the world for unknown reasons. Example number 5, going to Puerto Rico. I've gotten multiple videos out of Puerto Rico here recently. 6/4 of 2025. Kiki noticed her neighbor's light flashing for unknown reasons. Not only one, but 2. One in the backyard and one in the front yard. And this is video number 1 out of Puerto Rico. Video number 6, also out of Puerto Rico. Ed also noticed a flashing light in Puerto Rico on 6/4 of 2025. And example number 7, next door in the Dominican Republic, the DR, Valentina, 6/5 of 2025. Notice these 2 lights that are normally working perfectly. For some reason, on 6/5 of 2025, both of the lights in her dining room were flashing for unknown reasons. Very bizarre activity indeed, guys. And the videos just keep coming in. We're up to nearly 1,600. In fact, I think by the end of the day, we will be over 1,600 flashing light videos. Unbelievable.